Alright, what's up YouTube? It's the Guru here. Excuse the mess. Wanted to give you guys another update on the mezzanine turned into loft, turned into workshop with studio project. You can see I still got a little hole there to fill in that wall. Let's check out what we've done so far. Like I said, excuse the mess. All these benches were up against this wall, but as you can see, we are building a workbench here. So it's going to be a strong workbench. We're going to put a support here, here, and there. This is going to be solid. We're working on that now. We are going to mount a suspension vise here and a suspension vise here. We're going to diamond plate the top of this. It is going to be awesome. Over here, I've moved some stuff in. I moved in my Husky box. Here's my old suspension bench. I will probably just put a regular vise in place of this suspension vise and just use this as a regular old teardown bench just for anything. Haven't decided if I'm going to keep this. This is what I had the airsoft and paintball guns mounted on, and it's not very deep on this bench, so it really just becomes a catch-all and I don't do anything on it. Haven't decided. I still have to clean this back area up. That's going to be a project for today. And throw some stuff back there. Have enough room for my lift here. I got Krista's bike up on it. We're going to try to do the suspension I've been talking about for months. Up the stairs. Today we're going to go ahead and wire this with Romex. Throw a bunch of outlets because this is going to be the media studio and office. And I got some more insulation we're going to throw up there. We're going to go ahead and OSB it. Put some walls up here, here, and here, and yeah, then we can start figuring out AC. It's just so amazing, man. I put this little floor unit in here, and it's just venting out the back there, and without this fan, it's tough for it to do much, but you add this fan to it, and it's really making it a lot cooler in here. And it's been 91 the last couple days. This will be 95 Tuesday. So yeah, I'm probably gonna mount like a fan here, let it hang down here, and just kind of circulate this cold air around the room better. But yeah guys, I'm super pumped. Got my door handles installed, so I can actually get these doors shut now. And as far as projects, I got some 12 CRF 450 forks to knock out today. Then we're gonna jump into these Olins off a limited edition R1, I believe. So yeah, super pumped. Lots to do today. We're also going to run some conduit from the box here all around these walls and get just a multitude of outlets going. Make life a little easier. So yeah, at the end of the day today, I'll do another update and post it up for you guys. Super pumped at how this has turned out so far, and thanks for watching.